What's up, AA gang? This is Avis back in the middle with another video. I am so happy to be back with another video. I know y'all see that title. So, AA gang, today we're going to be baking a cake. It's the holidays, Thanksgiving coming up, and I want to help a couple of people out and show them this recipe that my mom gave to me about how to make a box cake taste like it was made from scratch. Now, with these ingredients that I'm about to use, you can do this with any box cake that's on the shelf. It goes with all the box cakes. If you want to make it taste like it was made from scratch, you do these simple steps. So, let's get into what we're about to do, AA gang. I'm going to make a strawberry cake. Okay? So we are not going to follow these ingredients in the back. Okay, so we're going to use this cake mix, 4 sticks of butter, 8 eggs, a cup of sugar, and a cup of flour. That's all the ingredients that you need. So let's get started. When it comes to this video, I'm gonna show y'all me whipping up the cake, putting all the ingredients in, and I will come back once I'm flouring the pan to go ahead and put it in the oven. I already have my oven preheating, as that's what you're supposed to do for a cake. You're supposed to go ahead and preheat your oven so it can be sitting and ready and warm. So when that cake, you put it in the oven, it won't fall and none of that stuff. Okay, let's get it in. So what I'm about to do now is put on some relaxing music. Y'all stay tuned. Y'all watch me whip up this cake. And I will come back talking once I'm ready to grease the pan. before I grease the pan, I just want to explain right now, I have all the ingredients in the bowl. And now I am about to stir it up real good. I can't tell you how many strokes to do, but make sure it's very smooth and consistent. And then that's when you know that you're done with the strokes of spinning the cake mixer. All right, y'all stay tuned. Music about to come back on. I'm about to stir this cake. Okay, y'all, see this? This is still lumpy. And I had this blending on low. It's on low. So when you first start blending the cake, you will start it on low because it's gonna splash everywhere. And then once you get it kind of beaten down, and those sticks of butter in there are nothing. You see that? But it's still lumpy. Then you turn it up high so it can get up all the crumbs very fast. Okay, I'm almost done. Y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna turn it up high. Okay guys, this is the consistency that we need. And it smells so good. Can you see the cake? Okay guys, I'm about to spray the pan. Make sure you spray it good. It's already a non-stick pan, but I just do it just in case. And I'm gonna add a little bit of flour in the pan. This is so the cake won't stick. And the excess flour that you have left over after you get through doing it in the pan, you can just pour it out. But just helping it to not stick. Okay guys, y'all stay tuned. I'm going to pour this cake mix in here. Make sure you no lumps in the flour either when you're doing this part right here. All the excess flour, you just pour it out. Okay, we're about to pour the cake mix in here. My storage is getting low, so my camera had cut off, so I'm moving kind of fast. Okay, y'all stay tuned while I get all the cake mix in here. Okay, guys, I got it all in the pan. You're just gonna make sure it's even on all sides. Sorry, guys, if you hear the kiddos in the background. They're up there watching TV. They're very excited about whatever they're watching. But just make sure it's evenly in the pan. And I'm now about to put this in the oven. Don't it look good? It look very fluffy and whipped. The kind of pan that I'm using, I guess it's called fluted. Fluted cake pan. But that's the kind of pan I'm using. Cake pan. Okay, guys. We're gonna put this in the oven. I'm gonna cook it for about 30 to 35 minutes. When you get it, you let it cook for about 30 to 35 minutes. Once you stick the fork in it, after that, if the fork come out clean with no cake mix on it, the cake is done. You can pull it out so it can cool off. But you hit it like this to make sure all the cake is all even in each spot. Okay, guys, I am now about to put this in the oven. Okay, guys, I am now about to put this in the oven. My oven is already preheated to 350, and I'm gonna put it in there for about 30 to 35 minutes. Y'all stay tuned. Let's see how it turn out. Okay, guys, cake is done. Cake is complete. I am now about to ice in my cake. I got some strawberries to put on top. None of it stick. You see that? It all came out perfectly fine. Cake is done, guys. Y'all stay tuned while I ice in the cake and put the strawberries on top, and we'll see how it end up, all pretty. It turned out wonderful, guys, and it's very soft. I had a little nibble of it. Very soft and sweet. It turned out wonderful. If you are enjoying this video, please give me a thumbs up. Y'all stay tuned. Music about to come back on while I'm icing the cake. Done. The cake is complete. This is my decoration.